Hello everyone, I'm Millie and I'm currently in my third year at the University of Brighton and I'm studying marketing management. So I thought I'd bring you along and show you what a day looks like spent with me studying marketing. Today is Wednesday. It is probably my busiest day of the week because I have uni this morning, then I have cheer, and then Wednesday is society night, so I normally do go out. So it is currently 8:30 in the morning now. I've just gotten ready for my 9 AM lecture, so let's go. Hey guys. Hi. We are in our 9 till 11 consumer psychology lecture. I'll show you what we're learning. So we're learning about social self and then also influencers. We've come to the Cockroft cafe for some food. What are you getting?
Roast chicken salad.
Oh, they look good. Gonna get these two. Did you get coffee? Okay, so we've just done our 9 to 11 lecture and now we've got an 11 till 1 seminar. However, we've got a quiz in this which goes towards our final grade, so I won't be able to vlog in here, but I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so I just got back from my quiz and chucked my dressing gown on because I was freezing cold, but my quiz didn't go too bad. It was open book, so it wasn't extremely hard. It's gone better than my other ones, so that's good. I think I get the results for that tomorrow. And now I am just going to go and make some lunch before I've got to leave for cheer at about 2ish. So guys, I just got the bus to cheer. I am wrapped up so warm. I've literally got like 50 layers on. I think we're cheering for football today, but kickoff isn't until 4, but we're going to practice for a couple of hours. Hello, so we are at the football game now. It's Brighton versus Sussex. Freezing. We just performed. I'll insert a photo in now.
3, 2, 1, now. Level up, 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 level up. All this stuff is so young, all this stuff is so young. Know you want this young, yeah, we are young.
Right, so I just got back and we're getting ready for our social and we're making our White Lies t-shirts. Freya's got I hate blondes, and then I'm gonna put I am not gonna make a TikTok about this. Hello everyone. We're at the pub crawl. We are on our pub crawl. We're at our second.
Technically the third, but our second.
But we were late, so we missed the first one. But we went to Mash and now we're in Mesmerist.
Maths was good, but Mesmerist was more expensive.
And we're on like the Pubble app, so we get it like cheaper. But we're here with the Marketing Society. I'll film them for you.
I'm an imposter, I'm not in the society.
Hello everyone, so it's now the next day. I had such a good time last night. We went clubbing in Prism and I've just taken it really easy today, had quite a chill day. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you've got any questions about studying in Brighton, please leave them below. Bye!